Today we are going to learn how to insert a line that can be typed. Okay, so first what we have to do is you have to click the underline button. Okay, then you have to go to the paragraph setting, then you have to go to the tabs, then you have to tell how many centimeters your underline should be. I will give 4 centimeters. Then here you can see the option what type of line you want. I am selecting the 4th, which is underline option. Then you have to click on set and click on OK. Now what you have to do is click on the tab button. Okay, tab button. Then after that you have to move the cursor to the starting position and click on the underline symbol again and then start typing. Okay, so your underline is ready. If you want underline more, you can increase the size or decrease the size. Okay, so here 4 it is written, right? So if you move it, your underline will be increased. Okay, it will be increased. You can measure the distance. Okay, all right, thank you.